Hello viewers, this is Palaski's Craft. Today we'll be making a pop-up bee greeting card. It pops up a bee like this. We take a rectangular piece of thick cardboard paper that is of dimension 25 cm by 20 cm. We fold it into two equal halves and use a pencil to design and cut out the edges. I have my design like this. Design it right round. Place it aside and make a small bee from this sheet of paper by drawing out the bee and cutting it out. Cut out the wing of the bee from this white paper. Cut out. Draw and cut out the wing of the pop-up bee. Cut out two eyes, a bigger one and a smaller one. Cut out two antennas, the antenna for the pop-up bee and the antenna for the smaller bee. Pick the yellow piece of white paper and begin to fold in this form. I'll put some designs at the edge, trim off the edges. And then fold into two equal halves. Apply glue to stick the middle together. Pick the card and fix the small bee in that form with the antenna. Fix the eyes. And fix the wings. Then fix the whole bee to the top of the card. Put some designs on it. Open the card and fix the pop-up, yellow pop-up at the middle of the card. Fix the wing. Put some designs. Design it. Put a dot on the eye and fix it. Fix the antenna. Fix the two black stripes apply glue to the upper and the lower parts in this form. Now that we are done gluing, we have our pop-up bee standing upright, and then we can fold the card to have something like this, and then unfold to have our pop-up bee. Fold and unfold. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.